Okay guys, ever wanted a stylish way to let customers shop directly by category, without a boring plain menu? Well, this section makes browsing feel genuinely premium. Today we're adding this collection slider section to your store. So, let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds. Exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collection Slider number 1. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type Slider, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its customizable settings open up on the left side. First, let's take a quick look through all the settings here. Then click on any card and here you can add any image for your collection. Ideally, something that represents it well. I've already downloaded a few reference images, so I'll add them one by one across all the cards. Above each image, there's an option to select the collection name. Click on it and choose the same collection you've added the image for. And that's it, the cards are done. Now let's click on the section itself and its overall settings open up. First, I'll enable autoplay, so this section automatically slides for anyone visiting your store. Scrolling down a bit more, you can change the font style to whatever you like, but I'll replace this with pop-ins, just like I do with every section. Let's scroll again, and I'll change the heading color to this one. It doesn't quite match my store's overall theme, but it works well for this specific section's colors. Below that, let's change the section's background color to white, since that matches my store's overall look, and let's update the card border color too, though honestly that one doesn't make much of a difference. Once you're done with all that, hit save and check it out in view mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.